Welcome to Ingram Microcloud Innovator Conversations, connecting innovators with problem solvers.
Hi there, I'm Melanie Daly, and I lead the Enterprise Software Business Unit for Ingram. Thank you, Hattie, so much for joining me on a call today as a part of our connection series and discussing the value of the VMware solution for our mutual partners. Welcome, Hattie.
Yeah,
How about a brief
thanks for having me,
introduction?
Melanie. Yeah, absolutely. Hi, everyone. My name is Hadi Najatian. I'm staff partner solution architect at VMware, and I support partners around multi-cloud initiatives.
So as a solutions architect, what are some of the trends that you're seeing around cloud?
Yeah, that's a good question. For the start, because we see there that customers now end up in a situation that they're running their workloads in multi-cloud, because the main reason for them to doing that, first off, they just don't want to be relied on one specific cloud provider. Could be a hyperscaler or any of those hosting services provider. And the other thing is that they just want to get the benefit of those unique services that any of those hyperscalers provide, like Google, Azure, AWS have their own unique services that the customers seeing that for them, in order to for applications to benefit from them, they need to move their workloads closer to these services so they can get benefit of all those unique services. And that's cause an effect that makes them end up in a multi-cloud environment, and that creates a lot of some kind of challenges for them, because each of these cloud environments have their own management stack, have their own way to get their workload secure. Even they require their own unique set of skills for the employees of the customers to get familiar with them and be able to operate and manage them. And that creates a complexity that the customers nowadays see themselves in.
Hattie, take me through the difference between a multi-cloud and hybrid cloud.
Yeah, that's a great question, because that's a question I usually get from my audience, and they say, okay, now you're mentioning multi-cloud, but you also heard of hybrid cloud. What's the difference? Basically, hybrid cloud is a subset of multi-cloud. Whenever you have workloads on-prem and then other workloads on another cloud, that's what we have, the hybrid cloud. Whenever there's an on-prem in the equation, then the hybrid cloud comes to play. And then multi-cloud is that the situation that now you have workloads in multiple of those hyperscaler providers, and that becomes the multi-cloud, because sometimes we have customers that completely migrated all the workloads from hybrid into, or from their on-prem all the way to any of those public cloud providers. That's why we have the concept of the multi-cloud. But in a nutshell, yeah, hybrid cloud we can say is a subset of multi-cloud.
Right. So what is the VMware vision for multi-cloud?
Yeah, because again, based on those trends, based on those challenges that we see the customers have running their workloads in multi-cloud, our point of view was that, okay, how we can overcome those complexities and challenges, how we can abstract all those differences of those cloud providers and provide a fabric that it's going to be consistent across all of these cloud providers. And there we have our VMware Cloud Foundation, not as a product, but as a subset of horizontal tools that can be horizontally extended across all of these public cloud providers. That's why we have. I'm sure you've heard of services or products we have VMware Cloud on AWS, or Azure VMware Solution, which is not our product, but it's a Microsoft product, or GCVE, Google Cloud VMware Engine, or Oracle Cloud VMware Services. The whole idea is that it's going to be a same platform or same fabric across all of these cloud environments. Therefore, the customers are going to use the same set of tools that they have for managing, operating, even securing their workloads, even same set of skills. They don't need to learn how to run workloads in Azure, how to run workloads in native AWS, because it's going to be, again, the same consistent fabric across all of these environments. And that's what we call consistent infrastructure and also operational consistency that really saves customers a lot of time, a lot of money, around removing those complexities.
So maybe if you could build on that and help me understand how VMware specifically will help customers.
Yeah, as I mentioned, like by providing that unique fabric across all of these environments, the customers say, okay, now it's the same VMware fabric that I have
Mm-hmm.
on-prem running in Google or running on Azure platform or running on AWS global infrastructure. So now I have an application that it really depends on the unique service that the Google provides around AI. So I want to have that application sit next to that AI service that Google provides. So instead of
Mm,
me recoding my application, I can simply lift and shift because it's the same VMware platform. I just
right,
literally need to migrate my virtual machine into that environment and
right,
get the best of the both worlds. The
right.
uniqueness of those services that those hyperscalers provide, at the same time the reliability and high performance that the VMware solution provides. And then now imagine this for other hyperscalers like Azure, like AWS. Therefore, you can run your workloads across all of these hyperscalers without making those major changes. You just need to simply lift and
Mm,
shift them across each of them. Yeah.
great. So Hattie, you've been working with Ingram for years and understand the value that we add as a distribution partner. How do you see this partnership being of benefit to our mutual customers?
Yeah, absolutely. Because again, if you're in this stage that see that as a customer, you see yourself that you want to have your workloads move to the cloud, and then you're not decided what is the best cloud that would
Mm,
fit my application. And again, Ingram and VMware has been working on this for a long time. The
right.
partnership that we've had with each other. Therefore, reach out to us, reach out to your Ingram
Thank
rep
you.
and ask them for resources, ask them for information around, okay, I need to decide which cloud fits my application to show me
Hmm.
some guidance. Because for us as a VMware, our idea or our vision is to become Switzerland of the cloud, give flexibility to our customers to choose
Right.
which cloud they want to have their workloads on. And then Ingram is the best team that you can reach out to. And again, they will work with us at the back end to make sure that we provide you with the best cloud service that your workloads need.
Amazing. Really, really grateful for your time and your insight. Thank you
Absolutely.
very much and looking forward to future connections.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me and looking forward to it. Yes.
Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you for watching Ingram Micro Cloud Innovator Conversations. Visit us at ingrammicrocloud.ca for more cloud conversations with innovators and problem solvers.